Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video we're gonna make this beautiful slider by using slider revolution. Okay, so as you can see that this slider is there for you, and in this we have this beautiful animation. Also this image pops up, and also we have this navigation. Okay, and we have such type of layout, the bluish and the reddish, and okay, and this navigation are working perfectly, and you can also modify this slider according to you. There are so many options in the slider revolution, so I'm going to show you how to make this from scratch. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so for making the video we have to go to our slider revolution. Okay, so for this you only need a plugin, slider revolution and the Elementor. If you want to use any other page builder you can also do that, but here I'm using Elementor. Elementor page builder, and of course the slider revolution. Okay, so let's start the video by making a new slider from scratch. Okay, so let me go to the new. Okay, okay, so for making the slider, okay, so for making this type of slider, first we have to need a background image. So okay, so let's go here, and from here we have to go to this option, and from here choose the colored option, and this time I'm gonna use some different background colors. Okay, for making it little bit different from this. Okay, so let's this time I'm gonna choose the black color in the background, but not that this much color. Okay, so okay, okay, so the now the so now the second step is we have to add this color. So for this I'm going to choose a different color. Let me let's choose this time yellow color, and we're gonna make this to the black. Okay, okay, so let's go to add layer, and from here you have to add the shape. Okay, so first go to shape, and from here you can change its colors. Let's choose the yellow. Okay, so now we have to make the shape little bigger. You can also take it to the below. So let's make this shape little bit bigger. Okay, so now we have to go here, and from here we have to give here -5, so it will rotate little bit. So let's give -10. Okay, let's delete it. Let's add the layer again. From here styles. Okay, sometime it doesn't work, I don't know why. Okay, so let's go to advanced style and -10, so it will rotate like this. Okay, so now you have to just increase its size and just make it like this according to you. Okay, so okay, to at first uh, okay, so first we have to make this. Okay, okay, so wait a minute, let's delete it one more time and add another layer shape. Okay, so let me choose the color. Okay, so let's go here, and we have to choose the color. We choose the yellowish one, and from here we have to increase its full width. Just make it like this. Okay, okay, let's save the changes. Let's preview it one more time. Okay, so we can see that it is coming. So let's go to settings, and from here go to layout, and from here layout we have to decrease the size and make it 700 pixel. Okay, save the changes. Let's preview it one more time. Okay, so it is covering all the screen. So let's go here. Okay, we have to decrease the size little bit. Just decrease the size and make it like this. Okay, let's save it. You can adjust the shape according to it. Okay, so this is looking good. If you want to increase the size little bit too, you can also go here and do that. Okay, let me save. Okay, so this is looking perfect. Okay, so the next step is we have to add another shape, and that shape would be of any color according to you. So I'm gonna add here the blackish color, or you can add any other color. Let me go here and add the bluish color. Okay, but okay. Okay, so let's go to advanced style, and from here choose -10 and make it like this, and from here just increase the size according to you. Okay, you can play with it. Let's save it once. Let's preview. Okay, so this is looking almost perfect. Okay, so let's move to our next section. Okay, so for the next section we have to add this text. Okay, so for adding the text, let's go here, and from here add a text quick style headline. Okay, so from here I'm gonna choose this. You can choose any one. Okay, I'm just okay, so let's go to here and go to content, and let's change the content. Grab the deal. Okay, so let's make it size a little bit, and if you want to increase the padding you can go here and increase the, and okay, so I don't want to increase, so let me go to advanced style, and for this also we have to add -10. Okay, okay, so perfect. Okay, so the next step is we have to duplicate this. Just go here and duplicate. Okay, okay, so let's go to the styles, and from here increase its boldness. Okay, let's go here and increase the size. Okay, so let's move there. Okay, so now we have to change its content. Let's go to content, and here add, or you can add any content you want. I'm just replicating the design. Okay, perfect. Okay, so like this we have to replicate it again 2 times. Let's replicate this above one and replicate it one more time. Let's save it once. Let's preview. Okay, so this is looking like this. Now we have to just adjust the text. Okay, and from here you can go to the navigator part. Okay, so let's go here and keep it like this. Go here and keep it like this according to you, and for this we have to increase the size little bit, and for this also increase the size. Okay, let's change the content. Discount, hurry, limited period offer. Okay, so you can change the content according to you. Okay, okay, so let's save it. Okay, let's preview it one more time. Okay, so this is looking good. Only just we have to okay, so let's save it again, and let's preview it one more time. Okay, so here you can see that it is almost done. Okay, so let's move to our next section. Okay, so the next section is to add this content of the right side. Okay, so for adding the content we have to just duplicate this from here, duplicate, and we're gonna use this. Okay, let me minimize this. Okay, so now I'm gonna, okay, so let first decrease its size, and from advanced style go to there and make it 0. Okay, and from now here you have to go to the content. Okay, go to the styles, and from here remove the italic part. I think italic. Let me search here. Okay, let's choose from here. Okay. If it's gone, you can go here, and from here you can come back. Okay, so let's go to styles and let's change its color. I'm gonna use black color this time. Okay, so let's change the content. Okay, so let's duplicate it again, and if you want to make it center, you can make it center from here. And if you want to make it italic, go from here. I'm just finding this is hidden, I think. Okay, so let's move to the next section. Here we have to add this. Okay, so for this you have to just duplicate this. Let's make it. Let's change the content first. Okay, so let's go to the here, and from here I'm gonna remove the italic. Okay, just increase the size according to you. I want to make it little bit more bold. Okay, let's decrease its boldness. Okay, so you can play according to you. Okay, so let's duplicate it one more time. Let's change this content. Go to content. Okay, and let's duplicate this one more time. Let's change this content. Go here, change this content. Okay, okay, so let's make this part. So for making this part we have to just duplicate this. Okay, let's go here and change the content. Okay, so let's increase its width so it will cover the whole screen like this. Okay, okay, so here you can see that in this we have some border above and top. So for adding this we have to go here. Okay, so from here go to styles. Okay, so here you can see that we have the border option. Then here choose the solid one, and from border color choose the black. And for here let's me add 5 5 and 5. Okay, let's save it. Let's preview it one more time. Okay, so here you can see that it is almost ready, and it is, I think, looking good. Okay, okay, so now we have to play with its position and font style. So so let's fix this here, and we have to increase its font size like this. Okay, let's take this here. Okay, so you can play according to you whatever you want. Okay, so let me first decrease the font size, and shift it here, and shift this to. Okay, so let's align this properly. Okay, let's save it, and let's preview the slide. Okay, okay, so this part is also ready. So let's move to our next part. Okay, so for the next part we have to add this image. Okay, so for adding this image you can go to the unsplash. You can go to the unsplash, and from unsplash you can search here fashion or anything you want. Okay, and from here you can grab the images. Okay, so let me choose this image, and for removing its background you can go to this website remove.bg. Just upload the image and it will remove the background for you. Okay, so like this I have made so many images here. Okay, so let me download this image and let's add our image. Okay, so let me go here, and in the layer section we have to go to the layer section, and from here we have to add the image, then go here. Okay, so let me go to uploads, and from here you can choose so many images from this side and upload it like this. Okay, so I have done many images, so you can do like this. Okay, so let me go and here and insert this image. Okay, so this image is inserted, so let me adjust it. Okay, okay, let me save the changes. Okay, so let's see it in the live. Okay, so this is looking almost good. Okay, so the next step is we have to add this arrows. Okay, so for adding these arrows we have to go to the settings section, and from here go to this. Okay, so for adding these arrows we have to go to here you can see that there is an option of the settings, and at the end we have this arrow option, and from here you can choose so many arrows. Okay, choose the arrow according to you. Let me choose this, and by dragging and drop here you can change its position. Let me save, and let's preview it one more time. Okay, so our arrows are come. Okay, so let's move to the next section where we want to add the animations. Okay, so let's go here. Let's choose the first. Go to here and add and in animation I'm gonna add animation pop-up. Okay, let's move to this. Let's add the same animation to all first, and then let's add here. Let's give 300. Go here. Okay, and for this I'm gonna add a long slide from right and 300. Let's save. Okay, let's preview the changes. Okay, so our animation is working properly. So let's add some animation in the right direction. Let's go here. You can add here whatever you want. Okay, the start in the start. Okay, so let me add here. Let's give it 800, and let's go to the final. And for this I'm gonna add the pop-up back. Let's give it 1000. Okay, so let's save the video. Let's preview it one more time. It means from at which time your animation will start. Okay, so you can play according to it, the time you want or the delay to give your text and all. Okay, so here you can see that it is perfectly working. Now it's time to add the animation to our image, which is this. For adding this we have to go here, and for this I am gonna go this. Let's choose something. Let's choose this smooth animation. And for this I'm gonna add the timing 1300. Let's save it. Okay, so let's preview it one more time. Okay, so it is perfectly working. So let's duplicate our slides and make slides 3. Okay, so from here just I'm gonna delete this third slide. Okay, so now we have to duplicate this. Okay, let's duplicate it one more time. Okay, so our slides are ready. So if you want to change the slide duration, you have to go to the settings, and from the settings go to the layout, go to the default, and from here you can change the slide duration. And if you want to change the height and all, go to layout, and from here you can change the height and all. Okay, so let me change the image. Let's go to the first slide, and from here go to the content, and from here go to change the, let's choose this image. Let's fix this position. Okay, let's go to let me first say. Okay, let's go to our second slide, and we're gonna change. Let's keep this image same. Let's go to our third slide, and we're gonna change this image. Okay, let's go to here, and from here, let's choose this. Okay, let's position it here. Okay, let's save. Okay, so let's preview our final slide one more time. And I'm gonna show you how you can add this slide in any page wherever you want. Okay, so this is our first slide. Okay, okay, so this is our second slide, and let's wait for third slide also. Okay, so this is our third slide. Okay, so our navigation arrows are also working properly, and you can play with these fonts and all. Okay, okay, so now I am going to show you how you can add the slider here. Okay, so here you can see that the right now, let me update it, let me refresh this. So here you can see that this page don't have any, so go to here and go to widget section and search here slider revolution in Elementor, and from here choose this container and make it full width, and from here make it no gap and start the session. Okay, so in this way you can add the slider wherever you want, and also you can add the slider by going here and you can copy the embed code from here. And after copying the embed code, you can go here, choose a container, then go to widget, and from here choose shortcode, drag and drop here, and you can also edit by using the shortcode. Okay, let me do the same, and let's update it. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, so you can see that our slide is ready. Okay, so this is the home page and our slide is working properly. Okay, so in this way you can make any type of slider revolution slider for your website. So if you like our video, subscribe to our channel, like, share our videos with your friends, and I'm gonna see you next time.